The while loop in PowerShell is used to repeat a block of code as long as given condition is true. Think of it like this. Keep doing something while the condition is true. The moment it's become false, it will stop. Let's check a example. We will run this code. Let's see. If I'm running, it will print number 1 to 5, like a for loop, but more manual. You are responsible for initializing, checking, and updating your condition. Let's check a real world example. Here, these loops keep checking for a file until it exists. Great for automation, triggers, or deployment pipeline. I can increase this number to delay the result. Here, we can check internet connection using while loop. But for first, I will disable my internet connection. I will disable the connection. Then I will run this code. It's showing now no network retrying. Now let's enable our Wi-Fi. Once I enable the Wi-Fi, it showed the network is up. Here, it's nothing but a while loop. What it is doing? It is testing for a connection to the Google DNS server 8.8.8.8. Then, while it is not pinging, it will write the host no network retrying, and it will wait for 5 seconds. Then again it will change the value of ping by using another test connection to the same IP. Then it will go to the while loop. If the ping value is true, again it will run. Here value of ping will be a boolean. It will be either true or false. Since the internet is up, the value should be true. We will run the selection. Then we will print that value. You can see it's true. We will see another simple example that while loop waits until users enter a valid input. We will run this code. Here it will wait to enter the name. We will enter Technemia. Then you can see it's right hosted that welcome Technemia. This is how you master while loop in PowerShell. Perfect for anything where you are waiting, watching, or retrying. If you find this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tell me what PowerShell topics you want me to cover next in another series. As the next video, we will do while and do until in PowerShell.